slow. Imagine checking your phone and seeing YouTube notifications saying your video crossed 10,000 views overnight. But here's the twist. You never showed your face, never recorded your voice, and you didn't even touch a camera. Sounds unreal, right? But this is exactly what thousands of creators are doing right now. Quietly building passive income using faceless YouTube channels powered by AI. And the craziest part, most people still have no idea how simple this has become. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the full process of creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. So make sure you watch till the end, because one small detail I'll share later can completely change how fast your channel grows. Before we go any further, if you're interested in making money online using AI tools and building digital income streams without showing your face, then this channel is for you. This is AI Income Hub. And if you like content like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe right now, because it really helps the channel grow and lets YouTube know this video is worth sharing with more people. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's talk about why faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. Traditional YouTube feels intimidating for many people. Not everyone is comfortable being on camera. Not everyone has expensive equipment, and not everyone wants to spend hours editing videos. Faceless channels remove all those barriers. You don't need a camera, you don't need lighting, and you don't even need your own voice. With AI, you can generate scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and even ideas in minutes. This is why people with full-time jobs, students, stay-at-home parents, and even complete beginners are launching channels and getting millions of views. A faceless YouTube channel simply means your content does not rely on your personal identity. Instead, it focuses on storytelling, visuals, information, or entertainment. Viewers care about value, not your face. If your video keeps them watching, YouTube will push it. Think of motivational videos, relaxing content, AI facts, finance explainers, documentaries, luxury content, and even simple list-style videos. We're talking about channels that get hundreds of thousands, even millions of views per month, all created from a laptop without a single second of the creator's face on screen. The first and most critical step you need to take is niche selection. This is where most beginners make huge mistakes. They either choose a niche that's way too broad, like entertainment, or something they personally like, but has zero audience demand. Good faceless niche has 3 key ingredients: high demand, simple visuals, and strong watch time. Let's break down some specific niche ideas that are perfect for this model. First, motivational and stoicism channels. These work extremely well because people listen to them like podcasts during their commute, at the gym, or while working. The visuals can be simple, cinematic stock footage of nature, cities, or people walking. You're selling a feeling, an emotion. Examples could be channels that tell stories of historical figures' resilience, or break down stoic principles for modern life. Second, the finance and luxury niche. People love aspirational content. Videos about how billionaires invest their money, or the most expensive private jets in the world get incredible viewership. The visuals are easy to source from stock footage. Sites think luxury cars, mansions, and beautiful travel destinations. The key here is storytelling. You're not just listing facts, you're building a narrative that people want to be a part of. Third, psychology and self-improvement. Soft topics, like signs of high intelligence or habits that are destroying your life, are magnets for clicks because they tap into our desire to understand ourselves and improve. Visuals can be abstract animations, simple text on screen, or relatable stock clips. The voiceover is key here. It needs to be calm, authoritative, and trustworthy. And finally, a huge one right now is history and documentary-style channels. People are endlessly curious about the past. You could create videos on ancient civilizations, forgotten battles, or the secret lives of famous historical figures. 2. The visuals are a mix of stock footage, archival images, and maps. These channels build loyal audiences because they deliver fascinating stories. When choosing your niche, ask yourself one simple question: can this content be consumed without looking at the screen constantly? If the answer is yes, that's a powerful foundation for a faceless channel. Because people listen while driving, working, or relaxing, and that increases your watch time. This is exactly what YouTube loves. More watch time tells the algorithm that your content is valuable, and it will push it to more people. 2. Once your niche is clear, the next step is channel branding. Your channel name should sound professional, simple, and trustworthy. Something that feels like a brand, not a personal vlog. Think about it. Mindset Matrix or Wealth Wisdom sounds more credible than John's Finance Tips. AI Income Hub is a great example of a name that instantly tells people what the channel is about. Your profile picture can be a simple logo or icon created using free AI design tools. Your banner should clearly communicate what value viewers will get, like daily motivation for a better life or unlocking the secrets of wealth. Keep it clean and minimal. A cluttered banner just looks unprofessional and can turn viewers away before they even watch a single video. Now, let's move into the most exciting part, content creation using AI. This is where everything becomes fast and scalable. First, you need a script. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use AI writing tools to generate engaging scripts based on your topic. Here's the secret. Don't just ask the AI for a script, you need to guide it. Ask for a story. Ask for curiosity hooks, emotional triggers, and a smooth conversational flow. For example, instead of write a script about stoicism, you could prompt it with write a captivating YouTube script about how the ancient philosophy of stoicism can help people overcome modern anxiety. Start with a powerful hook about a famous historical figure who used these principles. Use simple language and a storytelling tone. AI works best when you are the director, or script must start with a hook that creates immediate curiosity or emotion. Something that makes the viewer feel like, I need to hear the rest of this. Avoid generic intros like, hi guys. In this video we're going to talk about. Jump straight into the value or the mystery. After the hook, slowly build context, explain the topic, and keep teasing what's coming next. This keeps retention high. Always write in simple English, using short sentences and a conversational tone. Imagine you're explaining something to a friend. This is especially important for an AI voice, as a conversational script makes it sound far more natural. Once your script is ready, the next step is the voiceover. And no, you don't need your own voice at all. There are incredible AI voice tools available today that sound natural, warm, and almost indistinguishable from a human. Choose a voice that fits your niche. For motivational or educational content, a calm and friendly female voice often works best. For historical documentaries, a deeper, more narrative male voice might be more suitable. A pro tip is to adjust the speed slightly slower than normal speech. This makes the content easier to process and listen to for long periods, which again increases your watch time. Now let's talk about visuals, because this is where many faceless channels fail. Just because it's faceless doesn't mean it should be boring. Your visuals must support the story, not distract from it. You can use AI video generators, high-quality stock footage, background animations, or even simple images with subtle motion effects. The key is consistency and smooth transitions. Avoid flashy, distracting effects. Let the story and the voiceover lead, and let the visuals set the mood. If your content is informational, show relevant visuals that illustrate your points. If it's storytelling, use atmospheric clips that evoke the right emotion. If it's motivational, use calm, inspiring visuals like sunrises, nature scenes, or people achieving goals. Remember, people are often listening more than they are watching, so your visuals don't need to be complex, just pleasant and on-brand. The goal is to create an immersive experience where the audio and visuals work together perfectly. Music is another seriously underrated factor. Background music sets the mood and keeps people engaged on a subconscious level. Choose music that matches the emotion of your script. Soft and inspiring for motivationalcontent.com, and ambient for educational videos, and mysterious or epic for storytelling. Always keep the volume low enough that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. It should be felt more than it is heard. Proper use of music can be the difference between a viewer clicking away after 30 seconds and watching your entire 15-minute video. Now, let's talk about video length. Many people think short videos are easier, But for these types of faceless channels, longer videos often perform significantly better. A video that's between 10 to 40 minutes gives YouTube more data on viewer behavior and massively increases your total watch time. If it's done right, the trick to keeping people engaged for that long is pacing. You can't just have a monotone voice over a boring background for 20 minutes. You need to change the tone slightly every few minutes. Add curiosity gaps by asking questions. Tease upcoming points by saying things like, and the third reason is the most surprising of all. So make sure you stick around for it. This keeps the viewer mentally engaged and eager to see what's next. Uploading consistency is far more important than perfection. It is much better to upload 2 or 3 decent videos every single week than it is to upload 1 perfect video per month. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency. Each video you upload is like a lottery ticket. The more you upload, the higher your chances of getting one of them picked up by the algorithm and going viral. Don't get stuck in the perfection trap. Get your content out there. Before you upload, you need to master YouTube SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. This is how you help YouTube understand what your video is about so it can show it to the right audience. The most important parts are your title, description, and tags. Your title should create curiosity without being clickbait. Never give the full answer in the title. Make people feel like they need to click to find out more. For example, instead of Stoicism helps with anxiety, a much better title would be The Ancient Secret to Conquering Your Anxiety. Your description is also incredibly valuable. Don't just leave it blank. Write a few paragraphs summarizing what the video is about, using the main keywords from your title and topic. This gives YouTube's algorithm more context. Finally, use tags. Tags are extra keywords that help YouTube categorize your video. PALs include broad tags like motivation or finance, but also very specific. Long-tail tags like how to build wealth from nothing or Marcus Aurelius' morning routine. This helps you show up in more search results. Now let's talk about thumbnails, because no matter how good your video is, if nobody clicks on it, it doesn't matter. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard. It should be simple, emotional, and curiosity-driven. Avoid putting too much text on it. One clear idea is all you need. Use high-contrast colors like yellow, red, and green to make it pop. Faces work well, but even without faces, you can use powerful symbols, bold text, and strong visuals to get extremely high click-through rates. Look at the top channels in your niche. What do their thumbnails have in common? Don't copy them, but learn from what's working. Monetization is where this gets really exciting. Faceless channels can make money in multiple ways. YouTube ad revenue is the most common one, and you become eligible once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But it's not the only option, and often not even the most lucrative. Affiliate marketing works incredibly well, especially in niches like finance, tech, and AI tools. You can recommend products or services you genuinely believe in and earn a commission on every sale made through your link. You can also sell digital products. For a history channel, this could be a beautifully designed ebook about a specific era. For a finance channel, it could be a budget tracking spreadsheet. The beauty of a faceless channel is that it feels like a brand, not a personal account. So people often trust the recommendations more. In the beginning, don't focus only on money. Focus on building authority and providing value. Once your channel gains traction, monetization becomes much, much easier. Let's also quickly cover some common pitfalls to avoid. The number one mistake is quitting too early. Many people upload a few videos, get very few views, and then give up, thinking it doesn't work. But YouTube is a long-term game. It takes time for the algorithm to understand your channel. One video can suddenly take off months after you uploaded it and change everything. Another pitfall is inconsistent branding. Using different voices, different visual styles, and different thumbnail designs across your videos will confuse your audience and the algorithm. Stick to a consistent brand identity. And finally, avoid violating copyright. Never just rip content from other creators. Use royalty-free stock footage and music, and always create your own unique script and edit. YouTube is very strict about this, and it's the fastest way to get your channel shut down. As your channel grows, you can start batching your content creation. Set aside one day to write 5 scripts. The next day generate all the voice, then spend a few days editing the videos. This way you can schedule your uploads for the next couple of weeks and remove the stress of having to create a new video every few days. Faceless channels are perfectly suited for this kind of automation and scaling. Now let's talk about mindset, because this is what truly separates the successful creators from those who quit. You do not need perfection, you need progress. Your first 10 videos will probably not be amazing, and that is completely okay. Every single video is practice. Teachers, use something new about your audience and about what works. The algorithm favors those who show up consistently and demonstrate improvement over time. Remember, the people watching your video don't know it's your first upload or your 100th. They only see the value that's in front of them right now, so focus on providing value, clarity, and emotion. If you can make someone feel something or learn something new, you're already miles ahead of most. As we come closer to the end of this video, I want you to think about this. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a magic button. But with the power of AI, it is a smarter, more accessible path than ever before. The barrier to entry has been almost completely removed. What matters now is who is willing to take action and who will just keep watching from the sidelines. If this video helped you understand how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me which niche you're planning to start with. Or if you already have a channel, what's been your biggest challenge so far? Your feedback helps everyone in the community. And please, share this video with someone you know who wants to make money online but doesn't want to show their face. And once again, make sure you're subscribed to AI Income Hub, because more step-by-step guides just like this are coming very, very soon. Thank you for watching, keep learning, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.